So here we will see the recipe of cabbage soup. So first note down the ingredients: one fair sized cabbage, a large Spanish onion, 1.5 ounce of butter, pepper and salt to taste, a half salt spoon of nutmeg, 1.5 pints of milk, 2 tablespoons of Allinson fine white meal. So cooking step: after preparing and washing the cabbage, shred it up very fine and chop up the onion. Set these two in a saucepan over the fire with 1/4 of water and add the butter and seasoning and let all cook gently for 1 hour or longer if the vegetables are not quite tender. Then add the milk and thickening when the vegetables are thorough tender and let all simmer gently for 10 minutes. Then serve with little squares of toasted or fried bread or Allinson plain rusks. So they are very easy to make and healthy dish, and cabbage is already available in our day-to-day life. So please try this recipe. Thank you.